In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about Mailchimp Audience and how to use it properly. If you're looking to effectively manage and utilize your contacts in Mailchimp, you'll want to stick around and follow these simple yet crucial steps. First off, you'll need to head over to your Mailchimp account and log in. Once you're at the home page, locate and click on the Audience tab. This will take you to the section where you can manage and segment your email contacts, which is essential for targeted and customized email campaigns. Next, click on Segments. Segments are powerful tools that allow you to divide your audience into specific groups based on certain criteria, such as location or interest. This way, you can send more tailored content to different segments, increasing your email campaign's effectiveness. Now let's discuss the subscription status. When you click on subscription status, you'll get a clear look at who is subscribed, unsubscribed, or hasn't confirmed their subscription in your audience. It's important to keep an eye on these statuses to maintain a healthy email list and ensure that your emails reach those who truly want them. After understanding the subscription statuses, move on to examining the email subscribed segment. By delving into this, you gain insights into those who are engaged with your content. Conversely, taking a look at the email unsubscribed category can help you understand why people might choose to opt out. Continuing, the email non-subscribed group consists of individuals who were added manually or through other means but haven't signed up through a sign-up form, which can be pivotal for cleanup and refining campaigns. Once you've assessed these areas, the next step is to click on Tags. Tags are like labels that help you organize your contacts further. They are versatile for a myriad of uses, from marking VIP customers to noting past purchasers, ensuring you can easily sort and filter your audience. Then navigate to the Audience dashboard. This is your bird's eye view of your audience health and growth. After that, you could consider adding contacts by clicking Add Your Contacts. You have options such as uploading files in CSV, TXT, or XLSX formats. Ensuring this data is clean is crucial for maintaining clarity and organization. If you prefer, you can directly paste contacts. Simply prepare your spreadsheet or list, click the relevant option, and then paste your data for quick additions. Continuing through, you can make further individual tweaks and ensure each addition is just right. Lastly, let's address the Create Tag and Create Segment functions, which let you build new categories for better audience management. Whether you're adding filters based on addresses, birthdays, or specific fields like first names, these tools allow for in-depth audience segmentation. By following these steps, you'll harness Mailchimp's capabilities to manage your audience with greater precision and effectiveness. Merging these methods with strategic planning strengthens your communication reach, making your campaigns more successful. Thank you for watching, and I hope you now feel more equipped to manage your Mailchimp audience with finesse.